Welcome back to Dice Paper Miniatures. I'm John, and in this episode, well, it's Thursday, it's April, it must be Horus Heresy Thursday, so we're back at it again, checking out the latest article for the upcoming Horus Heresy release. Can't wait to get started, so let's begin. So in today's article, it looks like we get something more than just another Mark VI Beakie miniature to look at. We actually get a new tank. Well, or an old tank. Well, whatever. It's new to us. Let's check it out. So, the mighty Land Raider is a design that has stood the test of time ever since Arkan Land dug it out of the catacombs on Mars. But what's a Legion Praetor to do when their prized Terminator squads can't quite squeeze into its armored hold? They reached for the Spartan assault tank, and now, with a stunning new plastic kit, you can too. Alright, so let's take a look at this video. Hopefully the audio's dialed in. Dig it. That's a lot of las guns. Or cannons. That is a proper tank. Awesome. Chunky. Just like how I like my peanut butter. Alright, so also known as the Land Raider Spartan, this armored carrier was designed to punch the most overwhelming enemy defenses and deliver a knockout blow of massed Astartes infantry. It became a common assault vehicle during the Great Crusade, where its nigh-impervious chassis could shrug off regular anti-tank weapons, as it ferried up to 26 Legionaries or 13 Terminators into the fray with a surprising turn of speed for its size. Yeah, that model is pretty rad, you know, for a tank. Okay, so when not carting Space Marines about, the Spartan is also an effective vehicle killer in its own right, armed with a whopping 8 las cannons. Grouped into 2 quad-linked arrays, these lay down accurate bursts of firepower, strong enough to crack open any enemy hull. And if 8 las cannons isn't enough, why not 10? Many legions adapt their Spartans for additional tasks using its secondary armaments. You can swap its hull-mounted heavy bolters for extra las cannons, or ward off hostile infantry with heavy flamers. The gunner's hatch gives you even more options to toy around with, offering pintle-mounted weapons ranging from combi Volkites to Havoc launchers. Just a solid-looking tank, for sure. So the Spartan's impenetrable and, more importantly, flat armor panels provide the perfect canvas for customizing your carrier with the iconography of your chosen legion. And the kit includes sigils to show your allegiance with the Imperial, Aquila, or the Eye of Horus. Alright, so that's it for this Thursday's Horus Heresy preview. Solid looking tank. I dig the options for armaments. I mean, I think 8 las cannons should be sufficient. I'd probably go the 8 las cannon with the heavy flamer option, but that's just me. I guess it just depends on the purpose of what you're trying to do. I think having those heavy flamers up front is kind of like a burst of protection up close while you get your Marines to disperse. I don't know. That's my thing. But what do you all think? Are you digging the look of this new, old, but new again Horus Heresy era tank? I dig it. You know, the more I see these previews, the more I am considering the Horus Heresy. Only time will tell, of course. But what are your thoughts? Please put those in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoy this content and you haven't yet, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell. It's right there. And sharing this content. It really does help with the growth of the channel, and I do appreciate it. It's not always easy keeping up with this content, of course, so I understand. But that's the beauty of the YouTubes, and you can always go back and check it out at your convenience. All right, well, I hope everyone's doing well. Be safe, take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye-bye.